Today our topic is golf. Now you may say, what does golf have to do with money and finances and planning for retirement? And I'm going to share a little story with you that gives you an idea of how they're related. So let me ask you a question. Now, I recognize that many of you may not play golf, but you've seen it played or you know a little bit about it. And if I were to ask you the question, which is more important? The golf clubs that a golfer has or the golfer's swing? And I think after you've thought about it for a minute or two, you would probably agree with me that the golf swing is probably the most important, because there's many golfers that have some of the finest golf clubs or golf sets that they could possibly buy, and yet they're still not very good golfers. And the only way that they become better golfers is not by changing clubs necessarily, but by improving their swing. So how does that line up with financial planning? Well, so a lot of people believe that the products that they're buying or the places that they're putting their money, saving and investing and moving towards retirement, that it's all about the products, when in fact it is actually more about the swing. And what we mean by the swing is this, is your financial planning processes, are your saving and investing processes, are they integrated? Are they coordinated? Are they designed to create maximum financial efficiency? Are they designed to create maximum benefits, multiple benefits wherever possible? And the answer to that generally is they are not, because most of us, we compartmentalize. We have different places that we put our money, and each of them are assigned specific earnings potential and futures. So for example, we have our 401ks, we have our emergency funds, we have our health savings accounts. We may be buying some life insurance. All these things are typically separate transactions that are not, again, they're not integrated, they're not coordinated. They're not part of a financial swing, if you will. And what we do is help our clients understand how to integrate, coordinate, and have everything work in tandem. So we're maximizing benefits, multiplying benefits, creating greater financial efficiency, so that the swing is the coordination of all that process. You know, in golf, you choose a particular club for where you're at on the golf course. But then again, if you don't hit it well, if the swing is not right, you don't get the intended result. So what we do is we take a look at your financial clubs and identify where they're not integrated, where they're not coordinated, where they're not efficient. We help you understand that going forward, there may be some roadblocks, some obstacles that maybe you haven't thought of. For example, in the future, are taxes going to be higher or are they going to be lower? Are benefits going to be cut, such as Social Security and some of the other things that are part of the government entitlement packages? So we help our clients look at all those things, but it's just as important to be planning today, taking advantage of things that you can do today so that the future is something that is more in your favor. Your financial future is more in your favor. So if you would like to learn more about how to improve your financial swing, and coordinate your benefits and your future retirement plans, we'd love to have an opportunity to visit with you. So just click on the button below to schedule your free, no obligation, 30-minute consultation for us to talk with you about what you're doing, how you're doing it, and how you might be able to improve that. We'd really love to have the opportunity to work with you. And while you're at it, if you would like, you can click on the other link so that you can end up getting access to our financial education video library. And in addition to that, we also have a YouTube channel, which has got a whole bunch of videos on it. So all those things, if you could subscribe to that, that would, I think, would go a long way in helping you increase your financial IQ and help you understand more about the financial swing. We're looking forward to helping you create greater financial certainty by creating a better financial swing.